Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to change your Instacart account password. If you don't have an Instacart account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also put links in the description below for similar grocery and food delivery apps for you to sign up. If you already have an account, open the website instacart.com. Then click on Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see 3 horizontal stacked lines at the top left corner of the page. Click on the 3 horizontal stacked lines. On the left side menu, you will see an option for your account settings. Click on your account settings. Under account information, you will see a section for password. Beside it is an option for change. Click on change. On the pop-up window, enter all the required information. On the first field, enter your current password. On the second field, enter the new password you wish to use. Then enter it again on the third field to confirm. After entering, click on Save. That's how you change your Instacart account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our Amazon shop link in the description below for amazing shopping ideas.